How to clean clear phone case. Method 1. Washing with soap and water. Mix warm water and dish soap in a small bowl. Scrub the case with a clean toothbrush dipped in the soapy water. Rinse with the clean water. Dry with clean towel. Place the case on a countertop for 1 hour to air dry. Wash your phone case weekly to prevent stains from forming. Method 2. Apply rubbing alcohol. Dampen a clean microfiber cloth lightly in rubbing alcohol. Scrub. Wipe. Wait about 1 hour for the case to wear. Dry before putting it on your phone. Method number 3. Using baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda. Scrub the case. Rinse off. Wipe. Wash your case with soap and water if it still looks dirty. Air dry the case for about 1 hour before using it again.